This tutorial teaches the application of a butterfly weft. Make a clean parting where you want to place the weft. The weft will be attached approximately 1/2 inch below the parting. Use clips and Velcro holders to hold up the hair. Slide the Velcro up 1/2 inch from the part. Cut your butterfly weft if needed. An even number of holes makes the application easiest. Open up the weft. Drape the top section over the top of the head and lining the holes along the part. Clip the weft to the area just below the Velcro holders. This gives a strong anchor. Make sure the holes are located about 1/2 inch below the part line. This area gives the least tension on the client's hair. If your hook has a clasp, remove it. The clasp will only get in the way. With the hook, pull hair through each hole. Start applying beads by threading 2 pieces of hair into one bead using a pulling loop and crimping bead with red handle pliers. Links to all tools and butterfly wefts are located in the description below and at our website, visionhairextensions.com. I'm using small beads for most of the application, but in a few areas where the hair is thick, I'm using large beads. Keep several sizes available. For the ends, use a section of the client's hair and attach it to the hair in the last hole. Angle the bead towards the hole so it holds down the weft end. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments below. Visit visionhairextensions.com for all your hair extension needs.